The new trading week starts with a renewed demand for safe haven assets. The Chinese stock market plunged following reports of government crackdown. As a result, bearish sentiment spread across the entire stock market. Both European and US stock indexes turned out to be in the red. Thus, investors turned to safe haven assets. Furthermore, risk appetite faded amid the news on the spread of the contagious Delta variant of the coronavirus, as well as the identification of a new strain named Triangle. Besides, this week's macroeconomic calendar includes one of the most important events for the financial markets, the US Federal Reserve meeting, to be held on Wednesday. In the meantime, the US dollar is gaining in value. The ECB maintains dovish rhetoric, promising to keep interest rates at zero until the regulator sees medium-term inflation reaching 2%. According to the forecast of the central bank, this will hardly happen earlier than 2023. Meanwhile, traders continue to receive signs of a fragile recovery in Europe's economy. Contrary to the forecast suggesting further growth, Germany's business climate index declined. Notably, in the last reporting period, the indicator reached its 2.5-year high. Worsening business sentiment can be attributed to fears of the need to tighten restrictions in the event of a spike in coronavirus cases in the country. The tourism and consumer sectors are concerned about the fourth wave of the crisis, which in turn is expected to put pressure on the euro. However, the euro-dollar pair is just pulling back from the support level of 1.1760. The quote closed the previous trading week in the range between the levels of 1.1750 and 1.1830, near its lower border. In this situation, it's worth focusing on the pair's subsequent impulse, which will most likely indicate the market's future direction. While trying to enter a correction, the pound-dollar pair faced an obstacle in the form of a strong area between 1.3750 and 1.3800. As a result, the volume of long positions decreased, while short interest increases. Obviously, its corrective move has entered the completion phase. According to the trading chart, the range of 1.3750 and 1.3800 is still putting pressure on buyers. At the same time, short positions can be considered after the price fixes below 1.3725 on the 4-hour chart. Otherwise, the quote may start trading sideways along the specified area. That's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.